Special greetings, my dear students. In previous class, we seen selection tool. Today, once again, we can see the selection tool, and we will go to the next chapter. Okay, now I am going to open Photoshop. Start Adobe Photoshop 7. The thing why I didn't use Adobe CC because it is not supporting in even i3 systems. Okay, even in i3 system, especially in laptop, it is not supporting. It is a heavy load software. So I opening Photoshop. This is a Photoshop window. Now I am going to open a new file, new. So here I am going to select a size. So I am going to select 1024 into 768. So new file I opened. Now I am going to open some file, any image file which are already in your computer. So I opened this rows. Now my dear, selection tool is used to select an object in an image. Okay. So today you are going to see a magic wand tool, quick selection tool, crop a image after gradient, and any other topic is remaining? No. Only these things we are going to see. Paint bucket we are going to see. Now kindly see. First thing, marquee tool. Okay, marquee tool is used to select a regular object. Okay. Now here you can able to see the marquee tool. So just right click on the toolbar. Okay. If I select a circle with the help of move tool. Now circle is selected. I have to select move tool and I can able to move. Okay. So this is a means marquee tool is used to select a regular object. Today we are going to use a polygon tool. My dear, I think this flower I am going to select. Okay, this flower object I am going to select. Already I mentioned yesterday laser tool. This is a simple laser tool and polygon laser tool. We can able to select a line. Now just I one clicked. Okay. Now see it is going a straight line. So here one click. See it will go in only the straight line. Okay, means a polygon laser tool. So kindly see here, it will go in a straight line. We can't able to bend. If I want to bend, I have to one click there. Here one click. Here one click. One click means click, click, click. So I think this is enough. Again click here. So now just to see. I think you hope you understand. Like this way only, if you see some funny things, one person having 10-5 hand, just they are replacing the faces. Okay, some movies, the body, the person have a thin body, but he may merge his head with the Arnold like that some other uh, muscular bodies. Okay, so that all things no need to worry. Now I am going to select this full picture, okay, with help of the laser tool, magnetic. Yesterday I mentioned magnetic laser tool will select the image automatically by itself. See, this is a magnetic laser tool. One click, just I am moving. I am not clicking. I am just moving. You can able to see. Okay, means when we are moving, we should move near to the border. Okay, just I moved some more far. That's why it is not selected properly. Now see here, I think another image will be better. So I think any other image. So here this basketball player is going to shoot. So I just using laser tool. Sorry, magnetic laser tool. Kindly see here. Means it is selecting automatically. I am not doing anything. Just I am moving the mouse cursor. Kindly see here. Means I'm not clicking that much. you can means I'm selecting only the person. Okay, magnetic lasso tool is used to select automatically. Okay, means just we have to move. My dear students, you have to do the practical. If you're not doing the practical, you can't able to understand. Now see that basketball player is selected. Now control plus C. Copy. Here I am pasting control plus V. My dear, sorry, excuse me. Actually, it is in now zoom. I have to make it minimize. So here, zoom option is here. So I'm going to make a fifth. Now we can able to see here. Okay, before that file is not good. Now we can able to see what I done. I just can you able to see? I just selected the player. You see here, where is that player? See, here is a player from this photo. I just selected and I taken him out like this only. With help of these tools, we can able to select the object. Okay, be clear in this. Marquee tool is used to select regular shapes. Lasso tool is used to select irregular shapes. When you are going for the lasso tool, there are three important tools. One is a normal lasso and another one is a polygon. Polygon means it will select in a straight line. Okay, if you want to bend, you have to just click. Okay, and magnetic lasso tool, this only. Okay, this is a magnetic lasso tool. Okay, so I think selection tool is over, means a lasso tool, and magnetic lasso tool is over. Now we can go for the move tool also we completed. Okay, now we can go for the crop tool. Okay, now we can go for the crop tool. My dear, now see, I'm going to open one image, an image. I just opened this image. Now I want to crop this. Okay, I want to crop this. You can able to see this is a crop. Okay, crop tool is used to crop the image and zoom it. Now kindly see here, I'm going to here. So this one is a crop tool. Okay, this one is a crop tool. We have to select that. Now I selected that. After selecting that, kindly see, just now my mouse cursor shape you can able to just click and drag, only this much. Now see, so this particular object is selected. If I want to reduce or increase the size, I can able to make. Okay, after selecting the object, from your mouse, just only enter button. Now see, I'm going to press enter button. What happened means the objects. Now see, the selected object only. Okay, the selected area only it is removed. Control Z. Before it was like this. When we are selecting only the selected object. Okay. Control, just enter. No need to press control, just only enter. So this is a selected object. This is a crop tool. Okay, crop tool is used to select a particular object in image and make it zoom. We can able to remove the unnecessary objects. Okay. Now next one is a students. Only two tools are there. One is a quick selection tool and the next one is a magic wand tool. Okay, quick selection tool and magic wand tool. My dear, quick selection tool, magic wand tool, both are same. Okay, both are almost similarity. Both are is used to select automatically. Okay, but one thing you have to remember. Okay, wait a while. First one, quick selection tool is used to select the image. It will select automatically based on the edges. Okay, now see, I'm going to select a quick selection tool. Okay, so my dear, in this magic wand tool is not here. Okay, if application have some problem, so we can't able to select some options will not be appear in this. Okay, in this quick selection tool is not here, only magic wand tool is there. So I'm just clicking. Okay, so I'm just going to click. Be clear in this, quick selection tool is used to select object based on the edges. Okay, but magic wand tool is used to select some particular area based on the same color. Now see, I'm going to click here. Can you able to see the particular object is selected? Wait, I'm going to magnify. I just used magnifier. Oh, we can't able to see in this. My dear, I'm going to use a magic wand. You can able to see here the object selected which are having a same color. The object here, the area is selected. Now in this, they all are having the same color. In case, okay, in case, okay, if I select, okay, if I click here, so this all area are having a same color. Now if I want to delete, I can able to delete. Okay, these are the things you should come to know. The same color, okay, the same color which is having, it is selected automatically. Okay, if I want to delete, I can able to delete. Okay, just see delete. Now I'm not going to delete. In your book they given few options. Okay, now our portion is going to be over. Kindly see, in your book they given gradient tool, paint bucket tool. So while selecting an object, you know well, you can use any marquee or lasso as your wish, as your need. Now I selected this much area. Here this is a gradient tool. Okay, this is a gradient tool. So I selected gradient tool, and here I am going to select the color. What the color I am going to select here? Just apply. The selected area. Okay, the selected area. Sir, I don't want to use a gradient tool. If I want to use a paint tool or paint bucket tool, or as your wish. Okay, so I'm going to select an elliptical circle. In this place I'm going to use a paint bucket tool. Okay, so here is a paint, sorry, clone. This is a clone step. Acha, graded is na, just right click, you will get a paint bucket. Okay, select a paint bucket. Which color you need, we can select. What the color you need, you can select. Okay, just one click. Means it is applying based on the same color. Okay, so particular selected area will be filled. Okay, so this all the things available for this chapter. So our fifth chapter is over. Okay, so what things tool we seen? First of all, we seen the components of the window. Okay, okay, first we seen the components of the Photoshop. Okay, features of a Photoshop. Main thing what we seen, how we will create a new file, how you will open existing file, how we will save a file, how we will close the file. This is the thing we seen. When we are coming to the tools, in tool panel so many tools are there, but when we are going step by step, that time only you will understand. At the one day if you are learning, it is not possible at all. So we'll learn the move tool. Move tool is used to move the selected object. See, moving. And this is a marquee tool. Marquee tool is used to select the regular shapes. What are the regular shapes? Rectangular, circular, single row, single column, elliptical. Okay. Magnetic laser tool is laser tool is used to select the irregular shapes. Okay. In that three types are there: lasso, polygon, magnetic. Okay. So after paint bucket gradient, only these things, crop tool, only these things we seen today. Okay. So next class we will move to the last chapter, and whatever question answer, fill in the blanks, everything tomorrow you will get. Okay, in our school PDF is there not mean that I will upload each chapter only the answers for fill-ups, MCQ, true or false, answer the following question. I will upload all the answers. Okay, you can download and you can learn from that. Okay, thanks for watching, my dear students. Thank you.